In today's video, we'll explore Nifty and Sensex reaching historic highs, the boost from Moody's upgraded GDP forecast, and Mukesh Ambani's new AI plans for Reliance Industries. Plus, we'll discuss the impact of strong global cues and upcoming Fed decisions on the market. Nifty and Sensex new historic all-time highs are placed at 25,192.90 and 82,285.83 respectively. Amidst strong global cues, there is a bright chance that Nifty's winning streak will continue for the 12th straight day, and most importantly, Nifty may end the day with a bang. The 5 positive catalysts this Friday morning. 1. Moody's raises India's 2024 GDP growth forecast to 7.2% in 2024, 6.8% in 2025. 2. Sentiments buoyed after Mukesh Ambani unveils new AI-led road ahead for Reliance Industries. RIL to consider 1-1 bonus issue in board meeting on 5th September. 3. FIIs post a handsome buy figure in yesterday's session to the tune of Rs 30 to 60 crores. 4. Strong positive global cues. The overnight strong gains at Wall Street were despite Nvidia shares falling nearly 4%, similar to the drop witnessed in Wednesday's trade, despite posting strong quarterly results and an optimistic sales outlook. 5. Upbeat US GDP data. The US economy grew 3% in Q2 faster than initially thought, easing recession fears. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 30 to 60 crores, while DIIs bought to the tune of Rs 2691 crores. Bullish sentiments shall prevail for benchmark Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought conditions. FANO August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is at 13.78 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th September, is at 1.53 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 0.95. Nifty outlook. Nifty may aim to end the week on a strong footing. Nifty, CMP to 5152. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 25,050 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 25,551 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25050 and 25350. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 51153. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 50,713 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 52,350 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,705 and 1700. Bias for the day is neutral. Well, in this week's trading, Nifty is currently up 1.3%. We suspect Nifty bulls are likely to be again successful in keeping the bears at bay, as uncharted territory should continue to be the new normal. All bullish eyes now turn towards US Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) index, which is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge to trickle in at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Our call of the day suggests that the biggest positive catalyst continues to be the stage which is set for the long-awaited Federal Reserve rate cuts to finally begin from 18th September.